Gauge from the hip. Everyone says you got to resist the shoulder.
Round out. Slide back. Yep. Yep, all the way back. Release. Now safety up and off. Yep.
Try and put your hand down a bit, otherwise your thumbs.
Oh, yep.
Yep, that's it.
How many boards is there?
10.
However many you loaded.
As many as you loaded.
10.
Alright. Oh, back.
That's rad.
And then when I say go, I want you to move forward at a nice even pace. Don't run, but just move forward at a nice even pace. 2 shots on each of the brown targets. Okay, ready? Go. Very nice. Okay, magazine out. The gun. Clear. Trigger. Oops. Yep, clear. Squeeze the trigger.
Alright, I'm ready.
Yeah.
Yep.
Go.
Yep, go.
How do you say when?
Go.
Yep. Top back. Let go. Yep. Now remember the grip. Yep, you're sweet. Lock your arms. Just watch your thumb there. Yep. Whenever you're ready. Keep going. Keep going. Cycle again. How many did you load? Yep, it's empty. Open the action. Put it down. No. Action. Yep. Shotgun to the left. Yeah, those two. Yep. Nice good grip on the shoulder.
This is my favourite.
Yeah, I can tell.
Filming. Oh, cool.
Adam with the 12 gauge. Don't miss. Very nice. Clear it. Round out. Yep, clear. Put it down. Absolutely decimated.